Look how cute this is. This is MAC. I've recently discovered MAC products. I think I might have had one or two over the years. But don't forget, I wasn't into makeup and skincare stuff until a couple years ago, and I got really into it, and I'm loving it. So I just took my lipstick off because we're gonna try these on together. So first, the box. Look how cute this is with all these little bumps all over, and then the little blink. And what this is this was $90 and it comes with 6 lip products. So I got this from Ulta. You can also order it from MAC. We're gonna go through them together. So first is the pencil, and this is a lip pencil. Aren't you glad I told you that? In More Curious. More Curious. It's better than Less Curious or Meh Curious. So let's put that on. I usually don't overline my lips too much. I really like my lips. They're a great shape, great size. They're not too thin, they're not too full. Hey, honey, I want you to come smell my perfume. Okay, so this was from the last one. I put this perfume on. It came from my Space NK Advent Calendar. It's like a $50 perfume, but it's a little tiny. Do you like it or no?
It's okay.
It's okay, Richard. Okay, so I have used this for a few days now, and it needs sharpening, so I'm gonna sharpen it here. Boom, boom, and we're done. This I got from Ulta also, and this is fantastic. Look, it has all these, it has 5 different sizes, so I can sharpen anything with this. So now we're back to being pointy, which means I can ombre and up pretty well. Okay, so there we go. Got the pencil. Next up, I have 6 of these. Which one do you want to do? Well, 5 of these. I lied. I have 5 of these. That was number 6. So let's try a little bit of everyone. So this is Stay Curious in MAC, and it is a liquid. How beauty is that? Yeah, I mean, it's a pretty shade. I would have liked more blue, but I think it might work. Especially if I do warmer looks, it might not go with the eyes. Like, right, but we're gonna try. So, did the bottom, and I'm gonna take one of my little ones here and clean up. This is why I lined it. Yeah. Okay, and then for the top lip, how about this one? This is Stay Curious in a slim, what are these called? A slim lipstick? Okay, so like, what do you like better? Right, do you like the liquid lip or do you like the slim lipstick? Let's mix them together and see. And then blot. What I like about MAC is it stays on for like ever. Okay, let's see. Let's try it. No, I didn't blot enough apparently. So let's blot some more. It's still transferring. Maybe it has to dry a little more. Maybe it needs a second coat. Maybe we need to powder it. I don't know. Stay Curious. I think they're all Stay Curious, but we're gonna say. There's that one. And A Little Curious. I wonder if it's like a mini baby one. Okay. Did I do my bottom twice? I might have done my bottom lip twice. Smushing it together. Trying to get it everywhere. Well, in deep to my lips. Okay, not as bad. Okay, it's still a little, but not bad, right? So if that color can stay all day, that works. Then the last one that it comes with is Out of Curiosity. And this is, what the hell do they call that? A liquid thingy with a little tiny doe foot. You know, tiny doe foot. So when I have wonky POTS days like I'm having today, my brain doesn't always fully function. How pretty is that? Gloss. Ha ha ha, it's a lip gloss. Thanks. Okay. And it's a pretty container, but I'm not keeping the container. Don't tell Rich, he'll be sad. He likes pretty containers like this. I could put other things in there, but they would have to fit just right.
That is a real nice looking container.
I know it is.
I actually think all the products should come in really cool containers, and you could almost never get rid of them because they're really nice.
We'd have to keep them forever, and we'd put them on the shelf, and we'd be like, I remember when I got that, and it says Mac on it. What if my name was Mac instead of Vic?
You know who might like that as a container? Can you take out the inside stuff?
Oh, you might be able to. Yes, you can.
Is it, what is it, is it kind of decorated inside?
No, it's just red. It's just plain red.
Well, that's okay. It's still very nice. I mean, like...
What we could put anything here. You could put a tennis ball or two in there.
Tilly might like that for stuff.
She might. Do you want me to put it in the bin for everybody?
Bella might like it.
Everyone would like it.
Everyone would like it.
So I'm smushing it together. Now, because I did put the lip gloss on, I'm not going to be able to blot it. I should have blotted it before I put the lip gloss on. Oh well, live and learn. But that is the MAC Lip Kit for this year. That's the shade, that's what it looks like. Light skin tone, cool based. So that's what it looks like.